Hey, it's Kyler from Artworks of Northwood. Today we're going to show you how to hang a picture so it stays level. First thing you want to do is clear everything out of the way. Then I'm going to measure how tall the shelving is, 42 inches. And I know I'm going to want to go 12 inches above it, so from 42 add 12, I'm going to be at 54. Now, when I'm measuring the back of this art, I'm measuring from the bottom to where this is, where the wire is, that is. And it's going to be 21.5 inches. I need to put my hooks 21.5 inches above that, so 54 plus 21.5, 75.5. What I'm going to do is take this and go against the wall, measure up 75.5, one double, and then I'm going to measure my distance between. Which is going to be 52. So I know that 26 and 75.5. So my center line is right here. Now I am doing this in my own house. If I was doing it somewhere else, I'll use a pencil. But it's my house, so it doesn't matter. I'm going to put my level at the center of this. And make sure it's flat. And I'm going to measure 3 inches each way. So that now I have my 2 spots for the hooks. I personally hang everything with 2 hooks because it makes it stay level for longer. For my hooks, I'm using these because they were like 10 bucks on Amazon, and when it comes to my own stuff, I'm kind of cheap. Preload these. Now that I've got the spots marked on the wall, I'm just placing the bottom of the hook on that line, and watch me. Got my second one here, same thing. Bottom of my hook on the line. Now, the important thing is we always protect our corners when we frame stuff. I actually didn't frame this piece. We bought it on a cruise ship. This is good. Remove our protective corners. And let's get this up on the wall. And because I don't want to damage the wall, one hand goes behind to hook. You can go to this. To figure out how far off we are on each side. Now the most satisfying part is moving all of the equipment and setting this back how it was. And that's how you hang something so it stays level. If you have any questions, let me know.